If you want to open it, well, of course you need to type wix.com, and at the same time you can use your Facebook account or your Gmail account to log in your WIX website. But again, this is just a demonstration for you, so that you could have this lucid perception how to use the WIX. This is a website builder. So if you want to start now, well, of course you can click this button and go to the next level of the WIX page. Be sure that you have this substantial connection, because WIX is required, heavy substantial type of connection because of its GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interface. I don't want to detail this anymore, but again, I just want to click continue with Google. So there you have it. We have here the bridge from your WIX to Google. I want to use my my account right here. Okay, my account right here. So I want to go to the WIX now, and it is now reading the WIX website. So the meat of this discussion is how to create a startup projects and apply your pitch proposal into a startup project. Startup projects is like, creating different types of proposals that will change the life of the people. You can create a micro or macro style of proposal. So this is now your WIX website. If you are using a cell phone, then of course the display is not this complete. You will have a different style in your cell phone. It will create an adaptive type of display. Sorry with that. So we have the following dashboard right here, and we have here the menu. Okay, you don't have to touch anything right here. Okay, so we have here the my site, and at the same time you can create a new site. Okay, so I have existing one. Now if you want to create a new site, it's very simple. You go here to my site and of course create a new site. Okay, so we need to wait for a while the WIX is downloading. We need to search for a particular pitch for educational content, for the wellness content, what else, for science and technology content, for agricultural content. So let's go and search for that. So we have here the 20 innovative EdTech projects from around the world. You can use this as your mirror or your model to create your pitch. So we have different types of pitch right here with the name, and we have here the Allison provides free online courses. So by using the WIX and of course using the blogspot.com, you can combine this thing to create your banner content. The banner content will be fused inside your WIX page, while the auspices of the content will be stored in your blogspot.com. But again, you can reverse those information. The most important part here is to deliver the output, and so that this can be used by the community. For example, if you have the BR key, if you notice the names are so short, they are abbreviating the name and putting the description to the end of it. So like for example, we have here the bridge, okay, and we have here the following description of the data. Always remember, if you are creating a proposal, it should be in 2 or 3 pages only. You don't need to create 8 to 9 pages. So I am introducing to you how to create your own poster research. You have the target, you have the goals, statement of problem, and you have here the framework, the financial statement, at the same time the features of the project. That's the most important part. Now we have here the WIX Builder, and what kind of website are you creating? After we click this create site, we go to the next level. So this is now you create the site. Search for your business or web type. So we have the online store, we have the portfolio, blog, consultant, and technology company. So let's say we searched here education. Okay, let's search for that. So this is the keyword to create our website. Okay, so therefore educational, blog, educational tutorials, and then of course we have the blog right here. Next. So this is our target, okay, to create an educational type of content. But again, we are not limited only for educational content. You can use other content, like for example content for animal welfare. Okay, there are lots of things and endless opportunities now. So let's say create your website with editor, edit a template, or let's WIX create a website for you. If you answer a few simple questions, and automatically get a website designed just for you in a minute. So let us try this thing. Okay, This is for the beginners, and I just want to reiterate this, that if you are using your cell phone right now, you should have a bit of patience to load this, because this is a bit heavy. There are lots of libraries, graphical user interface that will be incorporated to your templates. That's why you need to wait for a while to go to the WIX pages. What do you need? What do you need on your new website? Right. This is the question right now. So these are the examples of the snippets. So you can use the subscribe form. The subscribe form is wherein you gather the email list for your clients, gather the email list from your colleagues or from your co-teachers. Okay. You can even create a chat, but I think I don't know if this chat is applicable. I think this is just part of the template, and you have here the online store for for your audience. Okay, so we just click here, maybe later. Add the name of your blog. So we're talking about blog inside the website. Okay, so let's say Educ Tech. Okay, so that's the website. Next, and to import content, copy and paste your link. So we have here the existing website. Okay, so let us skip this first. So we have here review and edit your info. Okay, so name is Educ Tech. My email is here, and the address is, okay, we don't have the address yet, so you have to click it here. Now pick a theme you like. Okay, this is how you pick a theme. The WIX will just ask you and of course create the theme for you. So we will use the evolution and then continue. Let us wait for a while. This is extremely easy. Just like you're playing a Lego, you build your big and mortal Lego toy, and then the WIX will take the rest. Okay, pick your favorite homepage design. So this is now your homepage. This is where you see the front page class. As you can see, we have the following template. Only have to just fill up this box. So there are lots of there are basic templates right here. Let's say we will be using this Educ Tech. Okay, add pages to your site. These pages are tailored for you. So this is only tailored. Just imagine, So we can now edit the site. So we can edit this. This site is the same to this site, and they have a different forms of flavors when it comes to themes. But again, the adaptation of the colors are related to one another. Okay, let us check this. So we can say add pages and then edit site. All right, that's it. So we have now finished filling those forms, and this is now your WIX website. So the name of the site is Educ Tech, and of course I have here the following menu: the home and the contact. Okay, so what comes next? We can edit this also. You can edit this. All right, you can go here to add the section of the page. You can even add the page, and you can even use the app. This page is another page. Okay, literal page. So we have here the title, welcome to Educ Tech, and of course we have here the title. You can put the subtitle right here: Depot of online for online learning. Okay, this is this subtitle. Okay, now we have here the button. We can use this to preview the text, change the layout. Okay, we can change the layout right here, and of course we can go for the designs and colors. We can even change the themes. Okay, right here. So this is very simple, no? And after that, what happened? We can also check the design, the colors, the fonts, and of course the animation. And we can manage here, of course, the content of the web page. So we can use edit box. Okay, we can change the name of the text, and we go right here, and of course what happened here. So here, this is where we manage the design, author and picture name, and the same we have your date and reading time, view counter. So this is for the beginners. Okay, edit the content of your site. All right, that's it. So let us wait for a while. And just want to reiterate that, well, of course, though, this is a bit heavy. So the content of your site has been created for you, no? So this is it. Okay, we have the following themes, and of course we have the embedded maps powered by, I think this is the Google map, and we have also here the content of that. So this is how you manage your website. Okay, All you have to do is to play around and of course check the blogs. Okay, so let us wait for a while. Okay, I think this is a bit long because we go back right here. Okay, it's reading right now. So you can click the site by going right here. Okay, this is WIX. You don't need to touch other things, and some of these with special features you need to pay it. Okay. All right. So these are the published site, the drafts, the blogs. Okay. All right. So let us go back to our main page. Okay. All right. Let's close this. So that's how you create it. Okay. Now, let's say we create another website using the detailed procedures to use the widgets, the dashboards, how to do that, create a new site. Okay. So remember, we have here the following examples of your pitch. Okay. You think of the title, you define the problem, and you find your target audience. For example, University of the People. So this is very popular right now. This U People is a tuition-free online university that offers accredited degrees now with a strong focus on supporting learners in developing a country. So this is a website already. This is part of the project. They are using the website to create a project and promote a different type of learning platform. Okay, let's go back right here. Okay, so let us start. What kind of website are you creating? Okay, search for a business. Let's say we can say technology partner, or let's start for education. Okay, again, we'll be using different types of style. Okay, next. Okay, education videos. Okay, well, the first part was to use the WIX EDI create a website for you. This time we'll be using the create your website with the editor. Okay, this is the editor right now, and we'll be proceeding to the different templates. Okay, we'll be choosing right here. I think this is interesting, extremely interesting compared to the previous one. So let's say I will choose here a different type of template. Okay, what is the topic? So the topic is about education. So there you have it. Let's say we have here the different topics. Okay, different themes. So let's say private lesson online. I will edit this. That's how you do it. Okay, now this part is bit this requires your patience, because you see we choose the different methods to create a website, and this is a bit detailed compared to the other one. The other one is just like you're answering questions for the instrument, and of course whatever questions you answered, it will be validated by the WIX, and the WIX will take care of the rest of the answers, and it will promulgate your own, or it will constitute your own web page design. While here we need to wait. That's why it is very crucial that you should have a good connection. Okay, a good connection. Now let us move here. Okay. Now these are the examples of your pitch. So for example, you have the Story Weaver, an initiative of Pratham. So if you are a elementary teacher, and if you are inclined to different types of arts, multimedia and animation, so you can create an ebook style of a website. Okay, so they are using a short name to promote the product. It creates, you know, and it entices really the end users to read. We are not here to provide titles just like the effect of blah blah blah. It's just like you are hearing about, you know, the vintage movie of 1940s and 30s. But we are not denouncing those titles. What I mean is, let's make it more succinct, make it more brief. No, Romy provides a free learning to content to students. Romy, just like your partner, your roommates, no, something like that. So these are the examples. Okay, let's go back. Now let us go back right here. Now it is still reading. Now this is now the different themes of your WIX. If you want to buy this, well, of course you need to register in WIX and you pay. What's the difference between buying and not buying? Well, of course, buying, it involves money. It's extremely obvious. But again, you will have your own identity or of your own domain. You are no longer there to write to the wix.com, but an independent type of entity or DNS, domain name, to promote your brand. Okay, we have also here for the elementary, we have for the college students, senior high school students, and of course the enrichment programs for kids. Okay, there are lots of themes that you can find right here. Of course, we have the second pages for another groups of these themes. The question is, can you create your own themes? Yes, of course you can create your own themes, because we support different types of themes. You can embed themes using the website or a web page. You can embed themes using your images in your local machine. If you are using the local machine, that is your computer. Okay, now there you have it. So this is now the dashboard. We choose this private lesson online. Now, please look. This is your dashboard. At the same time, we have here the following menu, and this is the desktop display class. Okay, ayan. Now, if you switch to mobile display, what will happen? You will see that, of course, this mobile display is adjusted. Okay, this is adjusted class. Look at this. This is adjusted. It is a responsive type of display. When you open your cell phone, of course, this is how you get the exact image of that desktop display. You go back right here. If you want to use this, and of course, handling this different, working out this different menu, then you should have a good bandwidth or good mobile connection. This is where you add the different snippets or elements. So if you add something, well, of course, you have the following: the text, the image, the button, gallery. So this is very intuitive and very comprehensive. Okay, so just we will just apply this using the time-based instructions, so that whatever you have done in your Blogspot, well, of course, we can connect it here. This will serve as your banner content for your product, because you're creating an app. Okay, an app. So the app here is to provide private lesson online. This is your app. Okay, for the elementary learners, and at the same time, the objective of this discussion is how to use the WIX website. But there are numerous web page builder also. I'm just talking about WIX because, you know, the pages are cool, and of course the themes are so good. Okay, so these are now the following themes. We can change this if you want. How to edit this? Okay, let us click this. Okay, let's click this to, let's say, Educ Tech Online. Okay, so we have here the name, Educ Tech Online. Double click. You can change this text. How to change this text? Double click this thing, and then you go here for the color. It's very easy. You can change this to green, or go right here. Okay, that's it. That's the color. Okay, you click this. Okay, now we can also change this text. Okay, don't miss out while you are away from school. Okay, apply now for RAD remote and distance education. At the same time, we have here book for a lesson. So this is now part of the theme, but again, some of the features is not working. Now, if you want to check the blog of, if you want to check your blog, let's say, for example, you have already completed your blogspot.com, you can create your link right here. How to do that? Okay, you need only to use this and type your blog right here. You can tap your blog right here. What is the URL address? For example, if I will type my blog right here, http, and then I will put here, let's say, abc highway.blogspot.com. Okay, so this is how you answer the question. How does it open? New window, current window. So you need to click new window. Okay, you can even put your page anchor, and then you have the email, the phone number, the lightbox, and then done. Okay, there you have it. Now we can change this theme. How to change this theme? Well, you can change the column of the background if you want right here, and the layout also. Alright, it's very easy. So the scroll effect added. Okay, we can use the scroll effect. What kind of scroll effect is that? The 3D, the screw, the close up. So this is part of the scroll effect. Let's say pull back. Okay, that's it. So we have the scroll effect. Okay, it's very cool, right? I mean, everything is right here. So for the educators, and of course for those bloggers and selling their work online, you can use this. But again, well, it's nice if you can have your own domain. But again, this is good for educational purpose only. Now what's next? So we have here the following. What do I teach? So you can change this paragraph and double click it here, and then you can choose different color, highlight the color, highlight it here. You can use different bulletin numbering, alignment. It's very cool, right? And then you can choose different types of font. So the font is good. I will not change that, and then I will type the paragraph here. So let's say I will click it here. Okay, we'll click. Let's say leverage child perception on artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. For example lang. Okay, and be part of our community. So this is how you do it. Okay, so we have here the about me. About me is another thing, because we are using now what you call this, the different pages for the website. Now the most important part is you know how to manage the content. It's just that you are only pasting whatever you want, but again, it's really important also to use the principles of balance, the color, the content, the layout, and of course especially the content. So we have the English, we have the science, so you can click all of this. Okay, let's say we have the math, let's say we have here the AI. Okay, AI for robotics. Okay, so we have the AI right there, and then we have also here, let's say this is your science, and we have, of course we have, let's say we could put here Minecraft for kids. Okay, something like that. No, I think the DepEd is you know what, I saw one of the website, they're using this Minecraft for kids. So you have to put it right here and change the text. Now it's very simple. You change the text, edit text, that's it. And then what else? Okay, create stunning algorithm to design your kids you know, your kids Lego store, something like that. Okay, so that's it. So that is where we put the content. Okay, be sure that your content is congruent or akin to your business proposal or to your pitch. Okay, because we are using now the Educ Tech. So the description of Educ Tech is, this is a platform for online learning for kids, so that they will learn what the different forms of artificial intelligence, or species of different technologies. Okay, so this is it. So we can change this logo. Okay, we can change the vector art. Look at that. Okay, we can change the vector art. So we have here the design. Look. You can change this. Okay, you can change this. So we have here the different types of media art. Okay, and if you have your own, if you can find sites with that, we can embed it here. You can also check the different types of categories right here. Okay, technology, art, animation, icon. So this is very simple. Okay, so we have here the technology. Let us click the technology. So we have to choose the robotics or something. So let us change that. Let's say we'll use this one. Add to page. So that's it. That's the answer. Can you get the point? Okay, it's very simple. We have also to click the animation. What do you want? Fade in, fade out. Every time that you hover your cursor right here. Hover means you put your cursor, or you hit the cursor right here. You can use the bounce in. Let's say bounce in. Okay, customize. Left, right, duration. Okay, soft. Okay, that's it. Alright, that's it. Let us wait. Let us check this later on if we preview the page. Okay, now what else? So we have here the review, and just like a testimony, but again we don't need this thing. Okay, we just erase this. Okay, we just erase that. Okay, how to erase? Click the delete key. Okay, so let us put it there. And we have here, of course, the WIX Form. So this WIX Form is an engine. Okay, this is how you collect the email address of the parents, kids, and at the same time, well, of course, you can receive that using your email. But again, this feature is just like a decoy. I don't know if this is working. Okay, so we have the online lessons, and of course, you have here your information, and of course, So this is about copyright by online lessons published by WIX. So we have, for example, copyright. Okay, WIX. No, let us not change that. Okay, to go to preserve also the WIX background. But you can use other sides of that coin to put your text. For example, you have the text. Okay, you have the text here. Okay, you can use what? Heading 4. So you can put right here. Okay, like for example, heading 4. Please check our blog. Okay, you can put it right here if you want. You can add text. Okay, so it's very easy. You can add text right here. Online lesson. Please check our blog. And then you have here reviews. So this is the content of your Educ Tech online. So what one of your target here is to promote remote and distance education for the young learners. So that's the purpose of that. Okay, so that's how you use it. So what's next? So we have here the Educ Tech. After that, well, let us check this this display using your cell phone. Okay, so this is now the output if you are using a cell phone. Okay, beautiful, right? So we go right here for the desktop, and then we have it. So let us check. Okay, the page preview. All right. So we are previewing now the stuff that we are working. Okay, this is it. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Like now, this is not the bouncing ball. Okay, bouncing effect. Look. Okay. Okay. So this is where I think you saw the bouncing effect for this. Okay. So this is the about page. If you go for a book lesson, then we can edit this also. So how to edit this? Okay, about me. Okay, this is the about me page. Okay, we have not yet. And then the about me is just like the about me. So we can use the about. Hi there, I'm Steven. So we can modify this. So back to the editor, how to do that? Okay, where to find this address? About. Okay, so this is the about page class. So this is the about page. All right. Now if we check this, okay, we will. Okay, I will modify this. Hi, I am Dr. F. Okay, so you can put right here, and then you put all your self circumstances right here, everything right here, diba? So let's go right there. Let's go to the top. So we have this about page, and then you go back right here. Okay, we have the book lesson. So this is the book lesson page class. This is where you put your content for the online session. Start learning today. Okay, so these are the book right now. This is the content of that. Okay, all you have to do is to experiment it. Okay, just like you're playing here, the page, cut and drag all the information, and then we go right here again, and then my booking files. Okay, book lessons. So there you have it. So we go to the home page. This is the home page class. This is the main page. Okay, we have the learning tools in the contact. So if you want to go to the contact page, it's very simple. All you have to do is book lesson, and then we have the packages, and of course you find only the contact. I think we go to the book lesson first. Okay, and learning tools. So this is your learning tools. So they have it class. It is loading now for the learning tools. So we have here the English course, one item. Okay, so all you have to do is to put your to put the link of your to put the link of your blog. Okay, for example, you don't have the ebook, but again, you just put here the English tools and what to do. So you need to put it here, or you manage the files, or you delete this. Okay, you delete this. Okay, you can delete this thing class instead of putting this thing. Well, of course, you can delete this. Okay, okay, you can delete this. Okay, let's check that. You can add the file right here, or you can delete it. Okay. Okay, for example, this one. Let us delete this. Or change the theme, or maybe we can create our own new folder. Okay, this is the folder. But you can delete this class, settings, and then you can manage the files. If you want to create, okay, if you want to create your own redirection symbol, okay, this will take too long for us. All right. So again, class, the answer is, well, of course, you can put any widgets in the content of your website. That's too much, class. This will take us any long to process this. For example, I would like to add something right here. Okay, example. I would like to add a text that is heading 5. All right, this is heading 5. So I will click this. For example, if please for this, I will just click this one. For example, edit text, and I will say English 101. So if you have your English 101, okay, and I want to copy this now, I can also provide edit text and then provide what? Link for this, and then go to the web address and paste the blogspot or the blog that has the content of your English subjects right here. That's that's the best thing that will happen. So Control C, let's say Control V. So this is another text. Okay, this is for your math. Okay, this is the subject is for the math. For example, math subject. Edit text. Okay, math. Okay, edit text. Okay, this is math 101. So it's very simple. All you have to do is highlight this, edit text, and then you check here, and then you type for the web address. For example, if the address is, let's say, HTTPS and then abc.blog, abc highway, okay, highway.blogspot.com. So there you have it. Okay. So we'll use the new window. Okay. Why is it that we are not here to get the current window? Well, the purpose of that is we don't need to eclipse or to cover the current window. So we have to go to the new window. All right. Now when we preview this, okay, what will happen? Remember, we are using the learning tools. Okay. Where's that learning tools class? This is part of the home page. Okay. You can edit this thing. Every time that you want to edit everything right here, you can edit that. For example, this is the My Bookings. We need to edit this. Okay. My Bookings. Where is that? It's very easy, class. So the My Booking is part of your My Booking page. Okay. So we can edit this thing. You have the bookings, the wallet. Okay. Alright. And at the bottom of that, so we have a unison type of display. This is how the page is arranged, and it's very cool, right? You can add history, you can add the paragraph right here. So it's up to you, class. Learning tools. Now we need to preview this. Okay, what will happen if you preview that? Look what will happen. So let us wait for a while, and then this is how it looked like, class. Back to the editor. Okay, I will go first to the home page. This is the home page, class. And then we need to preview this. Okay, that's it. So we have edited the learning tool, and this is now. Now you see that there is a bouncing ball. That was the effect. Okay, the online lesson. Okay, we have the online lesson right here. We have here the about. Okay. I don't know if I were able to check this. We have the book lesson. So up here, tips to remove WIX ads. Okay, book online, start learning today. About. I don't think that. Okay, so we have here the following class. Okay, about. I am Dr. Fuentes. Okay. So you have to change if you are the author, or if you are a group. If you create this as a group, then you need to change the content. All right. Okay, and the contact. It takes time to read. Okay. Okay, so we have it there. So this is extremely easy. Okay, so that's it. So I hope that you understand how to use this. Let's go right here in the learning tools. Okay, I infused there the, yes, this is null content. If I click this Math 101, look what will happen. Okay, so it will proceed now to another page. Okay, but again, the web page is retained right here. Okay, back to the editor. Now, the last part is how to publish this. So to publish this, we need to use the wix.com. Okay, if we click publish, what will happen? Let us wait for a while. Now, congratulations, your site is published and live online. So this is my site. Okay, this is my site, class. View site. So this is my site. All you have to do is to label your site. Okay, get this address. This will be part of your website. Now, again, how to put this inside the Blogspot? It's very easy. Okay, I will go to Blogspot. Okay, I will go to blogspot.com. Okay, and then open my blogspot.com. Google, and then let's check. Okay, so I have there the blogspot.com, and I will type there https and then blogspot.com. This is YouTube explainer is dedicated to all the MAED students of FINMA University of Iloilo. Okay, so I will sign in right here, and let's see. Now I will use my account here. No, I will use another account for the Blogspot. Okay, I will use another account for my Blogspot to make it different. So I will type it here. Okay, let's wait. Now this is the page last now. Okay, now if I put this in a page, okay, let's check that. Okay, I will create another post right here, new post. All right, so let's say the title of this is English 101. This is the content, or Math 101. Math 101. Okay, so I have the content of math right here. Okay, so let's say we have here the math. Okay, google.com, and then algebra or business. What is business math? Okay, so we have the business math. So let us copy the content for the sake of discussion only. So business mathematics. Okay, then blah blah blah. We paste it right here. So that's it. And then for further information, please check this page. Okay, so I have the space right here. Okay, my page. So I will copy, okay, my website address. Where's that website address? Okay, where's that? Okay, we'll check it again. So this is the page right here. I'll copy that and go right here, and then we will use the link. Okay, so my page. Okay, and then you paste it, apply. Now if I run this, okay, Blogspot, okay, every time that I go right here, so I have here my page. Oh, all right, let us run it again. Okay, I have the Blogspot right here. All right. So the name is hippo.com. So every time that I click here, automatically it will go right here. So that's the answer for the problem. Can you get the point? So this is the page right now. If I click this, okay, and put this another page, okay, okay, now this is now the actual website. Now my account is hometiclan wixsite.com. So this is now part of the website. If you want to evade this, okay, this will always be gazed, G-A-Z-E-D, every time that you open, because this is, still part of the freemium account of your, not free, freemium. Freemium is just like you're using it, but again, it is associated with, a marketing strategy for you to buy the product. So this is it. You enter the last name, first name, okay, and then you submit it. But again, this is like a prototyping, okay? Alright, so that's it. So from here, well, of course, if you click this automatically, I will click this will go it right here. So that's how you put your Wix inside the blogspot.com, and that's how you put the blogspot.com inside the Wix. Alright, so that's it. So that's how we use this program. Okay, now what will happen? Okay, if you have questions or else to ask, well, of course, you can drop the questions in the GC, or maybe you can email that, okay, to my account. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to share and subscribe in this channel. Thank you so much for watching.